Hey!
Oh my god, that looks so good!
That was so cute. Oh, that was Bunny.
That's Bunny, yes!
I had no idea that was Bunny. Hello, Garnch. It's the Garnch. Gingy! Gingy! Bump the fist, Gingy! Hey! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Yeah, that looks so fun. Santa! Everybody say happy Vlogmas! Happy Vlogmas! Morning, guys. The parade last night was a blast. Had a good time in town. Right now we're actually getting ready for a baked potato bar, which we have to bring an ingredient for. And I forgot to get one, so I'm bringing my furikake seasoning, which is Japanese multi-purpose seasoning. We're gonna be using this for our baked potato bar.
You got the bougie cold?
So I got this. Oh my goodness gracious. My head is huge. Well, when you stick your camera way in your face like
Yeah, that's perfect. And then you just put it in the bowl, slid it in the middle, and then...
Wow.
it's too hot to do you need a towel? Oh, look at this. Nice.
The bottom is flat. Oh, excuse me.
Oh!
Yeah. Add some aggression to it. What's on there so far?
Furikake, the whipped butter, sour cream, and the chili.
Beautiful.
Oh, you put the lid.
What you got on there, Golly? It's a lot of stuff.
I got a little bit of everything.
See, I'm gonna be done with round one.
Is that honey?
You guys are even on round.
Hot honey, right?
Wait a minute, this is honey?
Yeah. So
Oh, never mind. I don't want honey on there.
here's mine. Over here. Hello, I'm talking to you.
Oh, it would actually be
Because mine is just
Because otherwise, him to immediately like you and associate you with positivity. So that's why I'm like more open
Good.
to other people.
look if he begs you and everybody.
It's absolutely loaded.
Oh my gosh, so golden.
Poor Tyson.
Maybe I just no. We can give him.
But when I
Maybe that was more so he doesn't get questioned. It was one of those late. Right.
thank you.
Yeah, your mom was gonna feed you something. Yes.
All right, guys. Right now we're about to do a art game where we're gonna have to draw one another and see who does it the best. I'm not that much of an artist as far as like drawing and stuff goes, so this is gonna be interesting for me too. Little cat. Oh, that little cat is so cute. His name is Onyx. And I low-key want him to be Lars's little brother or sister. Hey, Onyx. So cute. All right, guys, so I have the liberty of drawing Riley. So I started off pretty good, and this is just good lord.
So what I would do is I would go in and like.
What day is today? 12/8.
Do you have a pencil?
Yeah.
I have a white paint pen if that would help.
Just like to detail it out.
Yeah.
All right, get it away from me.
Wait,
I guess.
I lost
I
the
mean,
cap. Oh,
because right now it couldn't get any worse, to be honest. It really couldn't.
I want everyone to give him presentation on their painting.
Jesus.
Yeah, dude, this is actually like, it's not making the art better, but it's like adding
It's
texture.
It's highlighting it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All over myself. It's watercolor.
We got freaking.
Come on.
Look at this. Ridiculous.
Oh, dude.
Riley and Mateo has been having to hear Riley's interesting commentary for a
Yeah, this is, yeah.
So they're going to show us first, and then they will show each other. Riley, turn to us first.
Okay.
Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3.
Nice.
Oh.
Juicy.
Oh, that's awesome.
That
Thank
is
you.
good.
You have to show the
Wait, we gotta see
yours, Mateo.
Hey, that is not. You guys
started off. I ruined it with the paint. It was good.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Well, the lips are hard. But honestly, like, that's not bad. You made it sound. I look. He put sorry.
Sorry. I didn't actually like put my signature. I just put sorry.
No, you have to put your signature. You have to.
It's so good.
That's so awesome.
Juicy.
I have to credit Chris for that.
I need a photo of you two, please.
Wait, hold on.
Oh, that's still a video. Sorry, guys. My phone is weird. Oh, I gotta go here.
Yeah, let me. Okay, go.
Okay, guys, you have to face us first. Let's see what you have drawn.
Ooh!
Oh, she did all sorts of stuff.
Wow, Chris, low key. You have like an art style with that.
Yeah.
Whoa,
It's actually
Allie.
perfect that you two picked each other.
Yeah, that's
Like, it's very evenly matched.
yeah. Y'all both did your big ones.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna turn and show. Ready? 1, 2, 3, turn.
Nice.
Sick.
Sick.
Oh, I'm falling again.
So
I'm falling.
So
Let me stop falling.
Dude, you better put that up in your van, man. That's some energy right there.
That's good.
Those are
vibes.
all actually really good.
Yeah, honestly, I'm so impressed with all
Me
of you.
too.
Everybody did a great job.
I'm so
Everyone
impressed.
honestly did really, really
Because
good.
you're just like,
Show me your art, Chris. Oh, perfect. Show me your art, dog.
Stand over here, everybody, so we can do. Oh, but are we gonna do video?
Yeah, we're doing video.
Fire.
Beautiful.
Fire. I know. I heard it all barking. Everybody said, "Go home."
Yes, I was trying to tell her to go home. That was me, yo. She painted me.
Hey, Dolly, show me your art.
Anyway, I put park the van. I'll have to come back up here and get
Beautiful.
Okay.
You have fun today?
I had the most fun I've had all year.
Do you like my art?
I loved your art. I was very impressed.
Okay. Well,
You did way better than I expected.
I appreciate that. You hear that, guys? I'm a better artist than Dolly. It's no big deal. No, your art was beautiful.
It was okay. I did it in like 30 minutes.
Okay, it was amazing.
Thank
That
you.
being said, we're gonna go make some rice cakes, and then we have to get to bed pretty early tonight because we have to wake up at 5 in the morning to drive her back to home, and then I'm gonna be hitting the road again, guys. No! Alone on the road again, just me and my Lars. You gonna miss me? Oh,
We'll see each other again very soon, though.
we will. It's
Sooner
not the
than
end.
you think. Sooner than you think.
Sooner than you guys think. Probably sooner than I think too. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Please consider hitting the subscribe button to keep up with this Vlogmas journey. It's a great time. And until next time, guys, peace.